The DMC 812 Ferrari spoiler is ready after a few words of introduction. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again, and today again a very quick video to show you the product which is finally ready, our Competizione style rear wing spoiler for the Ferrari 812 Superfast. You might have remembered we already have a full body kit for the car available, front lips, side wing flaps, rear diffuser, and we had a rather big wing designed in the past, but a lot of you said this is really too big, you didn't like it, so we went back to the drawing board and designed a new rear wing spoiler. It's an add-on spoiler for the Ferrari 812. It's a one-piece product that you can see here probably already while I'm speaking about it. And the beautiful thing about it is that it's made from fully pre-packed carbon fiber. You can choose the weave style that you like. Standard, we give you the carbon fiber which is OEM style, as in Ferrari, which we call the plain carbon fiber, but you can choose other styles as well. If you like forged carbon fiber or a different weave, you can let us know. Here's the product. As I said before, it's a one-piece product. The wing adds onto the, let's say, rear trunk lid of your Ferrari 812 Superfast. And it, when I say it's a one piece, it means basically when you open the rear trunk lid, the whole wing opens up as well. There are some other designs in the market which we didn't want to follow, which are three pieces. We always found that the aerodynamic is not really quite as complete as if you would do a one-piece product, but more about that later. Or of course you can send us questions about this product at any time. But this product is ready now, it's even in stock, and selected dealers have already received some stock, so depending on the country where you're in, you might be lucky that it's available there for you right to pick up. Otherwise, contact us, we'll let you know where our dealers are, or you can also buy it from us direct. We usually keep a stock, and yeah, just send us a message or go to our website. We have an online store with a lot of products and information as well. As I said before, this is a very quick video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the product, leave us a thumbs up as well, or click that like button depending on the platform where you're watching this. You can also do that by leaving comments. We're always reading all the comments. We try to reply most of them as well. And besides commenting on the video, you can also drop us a message. Just go to our website, and we are very glad to receive your messages and emails. Let me say thank you so much for watching today. Also click that bell icon to get notified about next time when we upload new videos, or I can show you here how you can do that on other platforms as well, like this. Click here, here and here, and that's it. So I hope to see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, thanks a lot for watching DMC Live.